can't catch in the center. What? This? Oh! Oh! It escaped again. Oh! Oh! Look at it. Oh my god! Wonderful. Oh! Oh! It's similar to the plant tiger, but not plant tiger. It's so interesting. It's small and can make its powder drop off. It pretends to that, so I will release it when I notice butterfly gets dry. Okay, let's go. Okay, I plan catch two in the same time. So I wear it. Okay, I can't catch in the same time. Okay, got it. Another one. Okay, another one. Let's catch a later. Now I got it. Wow, amazing color. Plant tiger. Oh no, the grass yellow butterfly. Okay, put to the box. Oh, it got away. Okay, I try to catch it again with my hand. No, maybe I can't catch with hand. Yes. Okay, I got it. I got it again. Wow. This time not escape again. Now I found another yellow butterfly. Crash yellow butterfly. Okay. Slow, calm down, come on. Okay, calm down. Got it. I got it. Yes. Oh my god. I got it. Wow. Another so beautiful butterfly. The grass yellow butterfly. So beautiful. Let's zoom it.
Wow!
Amazing. Yeah, look at the back wing. Oh, it escaped again. Okay, I will catch it back and put to the box, but I'm not sure I can catch or not. Okay, maybe I got it. Yeah, got it. Okay, this one I catch it directly to the box. Okay, put to the box. Oh, it escaped again. Wow, I will catch it again. Oh my god, what this? Yeah. Put it to the box successful. Oh
Oh no!
Oh, butterfly escape. And I will catch again. Okay, wow, I can catch it. Yeah, I can catch it. Oh man, why it had. Oh, got it. The Monarch Butterfly. Oh, the Monarch Butterfly. Okay. Here it is. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Like. Oh. Okay, I got it. I got it. Here it is, grass yellow butterfly. Yeah. This is my favorite butterfly, the grass yellow butterfly. It's so beautiful. And check the back because it's small and can make its powder drop off. Look at it, wow. Okay, for these first two butterfly I should release it because it look like it's so stressed and it can be hurt it or can be kill it if I continue keep it to the box. So I will release it because it's weak. Okay, and another one, the grass yellow. Okay, this one I catch an insect. I don't know what it is, but it's so interesting. Yeah, wow. It pretend to that. I don't know what's its name. Yes, I will release it back. Oh my god, I got a new type of butterfly. Wow, a new type of butterfly. Oh, I never caught before and I don't know its name. I will show you. Let's see. It's similar to the plain tiger butterfly, but this one not plain tiger. Wow, look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, wonderful.
Wow!
Ooh. With orange, red color, white, blue, and pattern, amazing. I think someone will know its name, but for me, I don't know. It's the first time I see it. Look at the back wing. Oh. Wow. Oh, it's similar to the plain tiger, but not plain tiger. Wow, wonderful. Okay, slow. I will keep it to the box. Yes. Wow. Okay. It is a plain tiger butterfly coach. Let's check it. Okay. Here is plain tiger butterfly. It's very similar to this one. Yeah, this one in the box. It's similar with the color of the wing, the pattern, but I checked the front wing. It's not plain tiger. Okay. Look at it. This one is beautiful, but I think the first one in the box more beautiful. Yes, the back wing is very similar, but it's not the same type. Let's put to the box. Okay, here it is. Yeah, if we see it from afar, we will not take its different species. Oh, let's see it. Oh, okay. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, got it. Wow, the Monarch Butterfly. Monarch. Okay. The pattern is similar to that one. Okay. We got plain tiger butterfly again. Wow, its wings so colorful. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay. Fly again. Oh, nautical. Wow, this one look new type of butterfly. Maybe. Let me try it. Oh, it's plain tiger butterfly, but its wing look different from other plain tiger. Let's check it.
Wow!
It's so interesting. This one so interesting. Plain tiger butterfly. Yes. Okay. Wow. The butterfly looks straight. Maybe I catch two butterfly and then I stop, because butterfly now looks straight right now. Okay, I will release it again because the butterfly looks straight, and yeah, I can't keep it until the full box, so I will release it when I notice butterfly gets straight. Okay, maybe I need to change the box because this box not enough hole to make butterfly breathe. Okay, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Wow. And this one, the one that I never catch before, and it's similar to the plain tiger butterfly. Oh, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.